Hi guys, welcome to Kashi Digital Headquarter, Kashi T.A.G. I'm your host Kashi, and today we are going to talk about T.A.G prompt framework. So last time we talked about RTF. If you have not watched that video, check that out. T.A.G stands for task, action, and goal, a 3-move framework. It helps you to get more precise, concise results from the LLM and based on your instructions. 3 simple moves are T for task. Tell it specifically what task you want it to achieve. A is for action, like how you want it to act. What are the constraints, what are the format, and how to go about creating this action. G is for goals, which means what does the success look like? How you want the output to be and sound like. For example, what are the outcome? What are the measurement? What do you want to compare and all those things? This T.A.G frameworks help focus with the clarity, outcome focus, and stop the guessing work and hallucination from the LLM AI model. It gives you a precise output based on your instruction, the actions, and the goals that you want it to do. So for example, if you want to use for creating a children bedtime story, the task will be create a bedtime story for kids. So not for adults, so you're defining what the task is. The action will be keep it simple, children-friendly animal, and easy for 6-year-old to understand. So that's how you want it. The goal should be teach kindness, sharing, and end with the calm bedtime message. You can also add in the action like what type of format you want, bullet list, clarity, paragraph, and all those things. You can add those in the action. You can also add the guardrails. When people create like images, you have seen a lot of text to image tool, face is abstracted, 6 fingers and all those. So you can define some constraints also in your actions that, hey, don't use this kind of word, keep it very simple, easy to remember. The common mistake that people do is writing prompt is you define you have very vague tasks like help me with marketing. The AI doesn't understand you mean digital marketing, you meant social media marketing, what kind of marketing. So be very specific when you're defining the task. Sometimes the action is missing. You will get the generic output because you never told it to do. Sometimes the goal is missing. So it will give you a good output, good words, but there's no results, or maybe there are too many goals. So AI will try to please you and try to achieve all the goals that you want. So that's why avoid those common pitfalls. Be very specific in your task. Be very detailed in your action, how you want AI to act, and define the outcome, what the success look like in your case. Another example for this will be how you want it to be, like we talked about in the previous video. Okay, help me update my resume for this particular job description and highlight my achievement. Action is you need to use the keywords which are ATS friendly and avoid AI related language. Make it human in my style. Use bullet list and 1.5 line gap in the bullets. Keep it 1 page. Success measure would be it should match and highlight all of my achievement, match to the requirement for the job description it has, and make it easy to read and key achievement on the top. And you can give a sample resume, match it like that XYZ, like Elon Musk one, or don't use any words, too heavy words, keeping in my own style and language, etc. and etc. When you define something like that, tag T.A.G framework, you will see it will help you with a lot of output, that desired output that you want. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, please drop it in the comment. Follow me on Kashi DHQ. And I would love to see if you guys try this T.A.G framework in different LLM model. Share your prompts and output in the comment, and I'll happily reply to those. Thank you.